Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T, and today we're doing another budget with me as I put together my June budget calendar. I'm going to be using the seasonal teacher sticker book from the Happy Planner, as well as some pay bill stickers from the Happy Planner. I'm not sure which of the sticker books this comes from, but I know that these stickers are available in the budget sticker book, or similar ones. So if you want to use something similar to these and you have the budget sticker book, you can find ones similar to this style. And then also I'm going to just use some colorful asterisks that I had from a previous sticker sheet as well. The theme that I've chosen for this calendar is kind of a summer ice cream theme. Ice cream is what came to mind here, so I'm going to use the suns, probably the ice cream, and I may pull a couple other things. That's going to be the primary color palette to decorate this particular calendar. Let's get into it. So I always start with putting in the bills that I know I must pay for a particular pay period. We're going to start with our household expense, which I always try to make sure that I have transferred to my boyfriend's account by the 10th. I'm going to put that there. These are kind of big, so you'll see they take up a little bit more space, but I'll try to be creative so that they don't seem too overwhelming on this one. At least I hope they don't. And I'm actually glad that I also used the transparent dates this time rather than the big round date stickers that I used for my May calendar. So we have the household contributions sticker. Actually, let me just write that there so I don't get confused. I don't know what that amount is going to be yet for June, but when I find that out, I'll just fill that in. And then Metro PCS is my daughter's cell phone, and that is due on the 2nd. I'm going to take a sticker and put there. And I don't think it's actually called Metro PCS anymore. I think they actually call it like Metro by T-Mobile. But that's just too much of a mouthful. So we'll stick with Metro PCS. And then I do have a sticker here for my credit card. I think that's paid off in total now, but I keep paying it and then having emergency uses for it. I think I may end up having to be that person to cut it up just to make sure I don't use it. But I also like keeping it in my wallet as kind of like an extra emergency card, so I've been doing that as well. Credit 1 comes out on the 5th, and I'll see if there's any carryover balance from the last time I paid this, but I actually think it might be completely paid off now. In that case, I'll just put in 0 if I don't owe anything. And then the next one is Haven by the Lake, and that is our gym spa membership, and that is due on the 18th. They haven't been withdrawing that from our account recently just because the gym and the spa are closed right now, but I always like to allocate for it just in case. So we'll say Haven, and I know Metro PCS, we'll go ahead and write that in. That amount has not changed, $50, and Haven does not change as well. That is $268. We have Netflix on the 23rd. And that is $15.99. And then I also have Progressive on the 24th. And this is where it's going to start getting like really cramped because I actually have a couple things here on the 24th and 25th. So we're going to kind of stagger that one. And then I think I'm going to actually have to use one of my asterisks for the second payment, that payday. For that day, so it doesn't get too clumped up. So I'm going to have quite a few stickers going on. And actually, no, I take that back. I won't need it because Progressive is paid. So I don't need to put a sticker down for that, though. It's great. So that's just Navient, my student loan. And that is $371.49. The storage is due on the 25th. I have just enough stickers here. That is wonderful. Storage is due on the 25th, so I'm going to put that one there like that because those stickers below are empty, and that is $155. And then last but not least, on the 26th is my car payment, Wells Fargo, and so we'll try to stagger that one as well, and that is $405.25, another payment that I look forward to not having to make at some point. So those are all of my set bills that I need to pay each pay period, and I do have a few other things that need to be covered as well. So for instance, I have afterpay payments, which are basically like a payment plan when you buy certain things online. I have date for June 5th, so I'll put that here. Actually, let me get a different color. Stands out a little more. Let's see. Let's go with the yellow. No, maybe green. Put that there. Afterpay is $20.07. Okay, and then I also have another afterpay payment due on the 19th of June, and that one I will use the yellow sticker for. See, where's the 19th? Let's put it down here. Afterpay $20.07, and that is actually the last payment. And I also want to note any doctor's appointments that I have coming up in June. So it looks like my daughter may have one appointment scheduled for June 1st. So I'm gonna just put that there as a placeholder. This could be rescheduled. It looks like that is all of the expenses that I foresee for right now for the month of June. And I think there's one more that comes out on the 29th, and that is for our Grammarly membership. I'm not sure if that comes out this month, but I think so because it's quarterly. $59.99. I need to check with my daughter as to whether we even need to continue renewing that one. We'll just plan for it right now. Now we get to the decorating portion. So I'm going to add some ice cream, as I mentioned, to my theme here. They're really, really, really cute. Actually love all the colors. There's a lot of pink with the ice cream, which is not bad. It's not bad. I think I actually want to find a quote here. Let me put another ice cream kind of over here. I feel like it needs to be maybe like that. And then let's put one up at the top. And I also feel like I love these little suns. Put a couple of those because June is supposed to be the start of summer and the start of the warmth. We're gonna put a couple of the suns around. I actually like the ones with the sunglasses. I think I'll put this one, he should go there. Okay, and then the one with the pink can go at the end of this group here. Let me find a cute quote to go at the end of that one. I found a really cute little quote here that's also with the sunglasses. So I'm gonna put that one right here. And then I also have a couple little like leaves. So kind of add more to that. Okay, I really like that. It's super cute. And I feel like I want something over here though. Let me see, go back to that page with the stickers. We do have these cute little sunglasses. Pick one of these sunglasses. Let's go with the hot pink ones here. Like that goes with the theme. We'll just pop those in right there. I think that's awesome. Pretty cool for June. And that is my June budget calendar. The most important piece is to visually be able to show what things are coming out each month. And the very last thing that we need to do, we're going to pick 3 highlighter colors randomly. I try to do them. Green, pink, and orange. Or this is gold actually. We'll go with those 3. I'm going to highlight each pay period. So I actually get paid 3 days this month. And it's funny because I'm just forgetting everything. I actually need to designate my paydays before I go forward. So let me do that real quick. So the next step with this calendar is to designate my paydays. I know I get paid on the 12th and the 26th, so I'm going to use these cute flag stickers to help me notate that. And I'm trying to figure out what colors I want to use. I think I like this blue, which kind of resembles this one here. And these flag stickers are from Planner Kate. I just received them as a sampler, and I think I'm going to order a full sheet because I just think they're super cute. And I also want to put in another one on the 26th. I get paid twice this month, and I'm just looking for a color. I think I want to go with like a lighter pink, actually. I'm actually going to use a slightly darker pink, which to me works better with the ice creams. And let's see, how can we put this here? I want to put it there. It's going to slightly cover up the pay bill, but I guess that's not such a big deal. We'll put that there. And then the last piece is to highlight the bills to match the paydays that they will be associated with. Interestingly enough, the first week of bills will actually go towards my last check in May because I get paid on the 29th. So therefore that will carry me to the 12th when I get paid again. So I'm going to go in here and grab 3 colors. Let's see, I think I'll go with the blue, green, and like the red color. Or maybe not the red, that might throw things off a little too much. Let's go with the pink. Okay, and these are some super cute new mild liners I received. These are new bright colors that I wanted to try out. We're going to use these for our key. So what I do normally is make a key at the top of the page. We'll have one color to represent each payday. And these mount liner markers are so nice. The colors are so vibrant. Okay, so that will actually be my May 29th payday. And then the pink will represent my June 12th payday, and then the green aqua color will represent my June 26th payday. And then we're going to highlight each bill based on which payday it's associated with. So Metro PCS will be blue, as well as Afterpay here and Credit One. And I'm not sure what the Credit One amount will be, but I'll fill that in. And then also my household payment will also be paid using that May 29th check. And then after the 12th, I will be paying for Haven if they take that out for the month. Hopefully that means they'll be open. I'm missing my spa and wellness classes, so I look forward to that reopening. And also Netflix, as well as Navient. And then the storage is actually due on the 26th, I want to say. Oh, no, that's on the 25th. So yes, we'll pay that as well with this pay period. And then last but not least, on the 26th, we will be paying my car note. Hopefully I'll have enough to pay extra again this month. Start paying that down, as well as Grammarly if that's due. And that is how I put together my monthly budget calendar. So for the month of June, I have quite a few expenses that I'm planning to take out. I will continue to add to this calendar as needed as I find out about new expenses throughout the month. But it just gives me a visual reminder of what all I need to cover, which payday it's going to be covered with. It helps me a lot with budgeting and planning. Oh, and one last thing. I wanted to put one of these stickers here. I just recently purchased these from Planner Kate. And this just reminds me to start preparing my monthly bills for mailing toward the end of the month. So I actually think I'm going to use I'm going to use a yellow one. That goes with the suns and all of that. So I'm going to put that there to remind me that I need to prepare and mail out household bills on the 20th of the month. And that is my June budget calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspirational and may give you some ideas about how to put together your budget calendar for the month. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!